Hello and welcome to a somatic sequence that is designed to nurture your nervous system by increasing more ventral vagal. So we're going to be using some touch, contact, a bit of vocal toning to help your vagus nerve support you to come into connection with your body, slow down, and also sense. So let's start by getting comfortable, maybe adjusting your body posture, settling into your chair or whatever's below your body. And then see if you can map the surface meeting your body. It might be meeting your feet, under your legs, behind your back. If at any point you need to give a little wiggle to sense more of that, you can. And once you feel like you've settled a little bit more, maybe even 2% more, we're going to start by connecting to ear. And we're going to take our thumb and our pointer finger, start to move that earlobe down, massaging nice and gentle. Seeing if you can track the contact points with your mind. And then moving out to the side of that ear. And then up to the top, you might need to flip your hand so the thumb is on the front, pointer finger on the back, taking that motion upward. And then placing the thumb behind the ear and the pointer finger in that little C curve. And getting a pretty good grip so that you can circle the ear away from the jaw. Softening your tongue, softening your lower jawbone. Really tracking that movement. And we're gonna take that ear, pull it out a little back to the hairline, and then in front towards the jaw, almost like a swinging door. Going at your speed. And then pausing when you're ready. Taking that thumb behind the little nubbin, the finger on the front, and creating a circle, maybe the size of a penny. And then massaging that ear, noticing what feels satisfying, what you want more of. And then taking your two fingers where the ear meets the jaw and just giving a gentle rub up and down. Relaxing that jawbone. And then behind the ear. And then pausing. And we're going to drip drag the hands across the throat, front and side, towards the sternum bone. And noticing What kind of pressure feels good? Maybe you want to go light and gentle, maybe firm and direct, or somewhere in between. And then when you feel ready, planting those hands on your heart space, feeling that contact, the weight of your hands, and then taking a full breath, your depth, your pace. And notice how that side of your ear, your neck is feeling. You might notice sensation, maybe temperature, or something else. And then we'll shift to the other side. We start with thumb and point your finger, bottom of the earlobe. Taking that out to that side of the ear. And then maybe switching your thumb to be on the inside, pointer finger on the outside. Taking that ear up. And then thumb goes to the back of the ear, finger in that little C curve, creating a circle away from the face and the jaw. Soft tongue. And then here we pull it out, cross towards the jaw, and open to the hairline like a swinging door. And letting that come to an end. Thumb inside, finger on that little nubbin, we create tiny circles. And then massaging that ear any way you'd like. And then we take our two fingers, front of the ear, soft tongue and jaw. Back of the ear. And then we drag the hands from the ear across the throat to where that vagus nerve is, all the way down to the sternum bone. Working with your tempo, your pressure. And then pausing when you get to your sternum, both hands, feeling the weight of the hands. Taking a full breath, your depth and pace, tracking the in and the out. And then notice that side that we've worked on. We're going to take a moment for a gentle hum. So you're going to breathe in through your nose or your mouth, and then you'll close your lips to exhale the sound out. So breathing in to hum. Natural breath returns. And let's go again a second time. So we breathe in to hum on the exhale. Tracking your natural breath. And dripping those hands down over your stomach. You might feel your breath there. And sensing your hands in contact with this space. And sensing the space below your hands. And let's go for another hum. Breathing in and imagining that sound going down to your abdomen where your hands are resting. So breathing in. Natural breath comes back. One more if it feels okay. And if not, just sensing that space in your hands. Taking a moment. And then taking those four fingertips to the crown of the head and giving a little tap, almost like you're cracking an egg. Soft tongue, noticing the sensation, the sound. Ideally, until you take a nice spontaneous breath. And then finding an end, maybe getting smaller or quieter in your tap. And then notice how you feel, what you can be aware of. And then take your eyes around the space you're in, letting them wander. And you might allow your eyes to move towards what feels interesting or satisfying to look at. And that is complete. So you might just notice how you feel. Maybe there's a shift, maybe there's more awareness, something like this. And feel free to do this any time of the day if you want more grounding, more sense of calm, connection, or maybe to feel more present. Sending you lots of love.